This is a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado Crew Cab Z71 Trail Boss. Gray over neutral leather interior. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Power driver's seat. OnStar, leather wrap steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, push button start, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite radio, electronic climate control, trailer brake controls, traction control, heated and cooled seats, remote start, USBs front and rear for your phones, running boards, black aluminum wheels, tonneau cover, sliding rear window, backup camera. This vehicle is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine, so it's got power, like all pre-owned vehicles. And Autonation Ford St. Pete. It has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.